Hello and welcome back English with RJ. Today we are gonna discussing about self introduction. That means how to introduce yourself, right? So please let's have the topic. The topic is that firstly greeting, right? We have to start from greeting, right? So greeting, there are two things in the greeting. Firstly formal ways, secondly informal ways, right? In the formal ways, hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night. Or good night is that when you used it, good night. When we living to someone else, then you can use good night, right? When we living to someone, when we living to someone, then we can use good night, right? Or now I'm moving on the next point in the greeting informal way. This is an informal way. Informal way we can use hey, what's up, hi, here, you, or what's up. You can use what's up, right? Here, you, or what's up in the informal way. But I'm gonna tell you one thing, where we can use formal way or where you can use informal way. So formal way you can use only for company, any kinds of company where you live, where you work, or when you go to the interview, then you can use it, right? Formal way. Or informal way you can use, with your friend, with your family member. That means in the casual way you can use informal way, right? So this is a greeting, right? In the greeting, formal ways or informal ways, right? Then we are move on the your name, right? So you can say it like that: I am dot dot dot, uh, am dot dot dot, I am dot dot dot, my name is dot dot dot, my name's dot dot dot, right? Just like am Ratan, I am Ratan, my name is Ratan, my name's Ratan. You can say, or you can say also myself, myself. But please remember one thing: myself is incorrect according to grammar, right? Myself is incorrect according to grammar. So you can use it, but informal way, right? You can't use it when you go to the interview. Then you can't use myself. Myself you can use, but it is used for informal, just like a informal way, right? And now we are moving on location. Location, that means where are you from or where are you living, right? Location, that means where are you from or where are you living. Just like I am from Bihar, I am living in Bihar. You can say like that. Or you can say also I was born and raised in Bihar. Just like you are in the Bihar, or someone asks you where are you from, then you can say I was born and raised in Bihar, right? Or if you were born in Bihar, right, or went to other city, just like if you were born in Bihar or went to Delhi, Mumbai, right? You are living there, then you can say I was born in Bihar but raised in Delhi, right? You can say like that. Now we are discussing about next point is that is 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 that I am number years old. You can say like that: I am number years old. That means I am 25 years old, I am 20 years old, or I am 18 years old, I am 50 years old, right? You can say like that. Or next we are gonna discussing about qualification, right? Qualification, we are gonna discussing about qualification. In the qualification, first is that I am about to graduate. I am about to graduate. That means when you close to complete the graduate. Just like your second part is going on, your first part is going on, or your third part is going on, then you can say that, what you can say that I am about to graduate, or you can also say that I am subject graduate, right? You can say that. Or if you are study at 9 or 10, so you can say like that, I am a student of class 11, I am a student of class 9, or I am a student of class 10, right? You can use it like that. And next is that I am currently taking a course in, just like your graduation, just about uh, going on, and you are taking another course. That means I am currently taking a course in dot dot dot. That means I am currently taking a course in English spoken. I am currently taking a course grammar. I am currently taking a course in computer. You can. Now we are gonna discussing about next point. Next point is that position or company, right? If you work any company, and what is your position or what is your company name, right? So we can say that I work at company in the dot 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 department of, just like I work at Wipro company. I work at Wipro in the, what in the, I work at Wipro company in the TL department. I work at SCL company in the manager department. You can say like that, right? You can also say, what you can also say, you can say I am a position at company. Then you can say, if you are manager, right? So you can say I am a manager at Starbucks, right? You can say like that. And next the situation is same. The situation is same. I work in general, right? I work in general area. That means you are working sales department. Then you can say that I work in sales department, right? You can say like that. Then we are gonna moving on the experience, right? That is the must. That is the must thing to say experience. Just like if you go interview, right? The interviewer asks you, please tell me something about your experience, right? So you can say like that, I have number years of experience, right? In the occupation field, right? What you can say, I have number years of experience in the occupation field. You can say like that, right? Just like I have 3 years of experience in BPO field, or I have 10 years of sales experience. You can say like that. Now we are gonna move family, right? About family. So about family, you can say like that, I am from a family of number, just like I am from a family of 4. You can say like that, or you can say 2. We are a family of 4. You can say like that, right? Or I am one of number sibling, right? You can say that, like that, when you talking about your sibling, right? How many brother and sister you have when you talking about. So you can say that I am one of number siblings. That means I am one of 4 siblings. If you have 4 siblings, you can say that I am one of 4 siblings, right? And if you have no brother or no sister, right? It's happened sometime, it's happened with someone else, right? Don't worry at all. If you have no brother or sister, then you can say I am only one child, right? And after that you can say my father is dot dot dot. That means if your father is doctor, then you can say my father is a doctor. If your father is a farmer, then you can say my father is a farmer. Then my mother is dot dot dot. You can say my mother is homemaker, my mother is teacher. Whatever your mother, you can just mention it. Then we are moving on the number of 9 things about that, about hobbies, right? I'm gonna tell you one thing. If you have more than one hobbies, then you can say about my hobbies are, right. But if you have only one hobbies, then you can say about hobbies. You can't use hobbies. You can use hobbies, right. Just like I really dot dot dot. I really like dot dot dot. Just like I really like reading newspaper. I really enjoy play cricket. I really enjoy running. You can say like that. Whatever you want to do, you love to do, right? You can just mention here. And next is that what is your ambition or what you want to become, right. Just that means ki, what is your goal, right, what you want to achieve in your upcoming time, in your future. So you can say that simply way, my ambition is dot dot dot. If you wanna become a CA, then you can say that my ambition is I I want to become a CA. I want to become a CA. CA, that means chartered accountant, right? Or if your ambition is you wanna become a doctor, then you can say I want to become a doctor, right? So it's all about your introduction, self introduction. That means uh, how to say yourself, right. If somebody asks you, please let me know about yourself, so you can say like that. Or I'm gonna one thing, this is a most thing, right. So some student doesn't know about it. It tell me about yourself, right. Someone just knows that thing. If someone asks me, tell me about yourself, then you can say that. But not, maybe someone asks you, please let me know about yourself, right. Please share me yourself, please catch me yourself. The person asks you like that, so you not worry at all, right. If anyone just asks you, please let me know about yourself, then you can use all this I gave you, right. Or if someone tell you, please let me know about yourself, then you can use this. Or if someone asks you to please catch me yourself, or please about me something, right. So you can just tell like that. So guys, it was a video. Before I complete the video, I close the video, I'm gonna telling you one thing. Please subscribe my channel, right. My channel is English with RJ, right. Please open your YouTube or go on your YouTube and search there English with RJ, right, and search the channel, subscribe, share, like as much as you can. Okay guys, I hope you will watch the video till the end, and I hope you will just get something about this video, and I'll make a video just like that, right guys. So please be careful, and just now we are fighting a COVID-19. So please, if you need to go out somewhere, so please you go out, but please be wear to mask. So okay guys, bye, love you.